Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you the Pansley hair products, which I just received in the mail. I'm super excited to try them and share with you guys the process. So let's jump into it. The first step is to shake the bottle well before using it. Step 2, spread the hair removal cream on the area where you want to remove the hair and make sure it goes on evenly. Adjust the amount you use according to the thickness of the hair. Step 3, wait 8 to 10 minutes and slightly wipe the area to check if the hair is coming off. If not, wait slightly longer, but no longer than 15 minutes. Step 4, wipe the hair off with a soft tissue or towel. And lastly, clean the area and make sure there's no hair or cream left. Alright guys, here is the result of my armpits after using the hair removal cream. So I didn't feel any irritation at all, and it feels so much gentler than shaving and waxing. So right after using this cream, next we can use the hair growth inhibitor, which you can use right after shaving or waxing as well. Step 1, put it on after hair removal. Step 2, massage into the skin gently until it is all absorbed. And step 3, use it twice a day. So some key benefits of this hair growth inhibitor are: it soothes and moisturizes skin, it doesn't damage hair follicles, it effectively inhibits your hair growth rate, and if you keep using it, you can achieve the effect of laser hair removal. But to get this effect, you need to be using it continuously for at least 1 to 2 months, and your pores will become thinner and hair growth rate slows down. So basically, long-term use is the best way to get the inhibiting effect. So it looks amazing and it worked so well. The Pansley hair removal set is a great, easy way to remove your hair, and it keeps your skin so soft and smooth as well. It has gentle ingredients such as aloe, witch hazel, hyaluronic acid, which is great for all skin types. I also love how you can use the products on all different body parts like your arms, your legs, your underarms, your facial hair, and pubic hair as well. So guys, I definitely recommend that you give the Pansley hair removal products a try. Thanks for watching this video guys, and have a great day. Bye!